So, the objective. First, determine the correct usage of punctuation mark. Second is use appropriate punctuation marks in a sentence. And lastly, appreciate the use of punctuation marks in a sentence. In today's lesson, we are going to talk about proper use of punctuation mark. Kung nalilito ka kung paano gamitin ang period, exclamation point, question mark at iba't iba pang kadalasan natin ginagamit sa paggawa ng sentence, ng essay at paragraph, this video is perfect for you. Let's begin! Punctuation marks, symbol that aid the clarity and comprehension of the written language. Punctuation mark, ito yung ginagamit nating tanda, mas maging malinaw yung gusto nating iparating. So mga bata, ito ang iba't ibang uri ng punctuation mark. Period sa Ingles at sa British naman ay full stop. Exclamation mark, question mark, comma, semicolon, colon at apostrophe. So, ayan po mga bata.